how to integrate WhatsApp with your WordPress integration. Now this is going to be theory because I might show my WordPress website if it is convenient. You need to install WhatsApp plugin. There are several WhatsApp plugins available for WhatsApp, WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp social WhatsApp, WP social WhatsApp, and click to chat for WhatsApp and things like that. Install it. Set up your WhatsApp business account if you haven't already. You need WhatsApp business, okay? And it helps you to increase your support and customer engagement. Configure the plugin once everything is set, including your number and display portion and message format and everything. Test the integration once everything is done. Never ever do anything without testing. That is what I'm telling you in the first place. Make sure the message is delivered and response is easy. Customize the message. Put some good CTA button. Put some nice logo of WhatsApp on your website. Everything should be, everything should be smooth. Now let me show you how to integrate WhatsApp through WordPress. All right, so once you are on the WordPress dashboard, go to plugins here and click on add new, and you can just explore all the WhatsApp related plugins. Just go to search plugins or WhatsApp and press enter. Am I getting some good? Click to chat, join chat, WP chat app, click to themes, and Cresta help chat, simple web chat. There are many. So the list is endless. Call now button, we don't need all of that. So click to chat app is good, WP chat app is good. So I'm going to install WP chat app and let's see what kind of features I have. It has 111, it has 506. Okay, we would have gone for click to chat because it has good reviews. That's fine. I'm going to click on activate. Let's see how it goes. Click. There you go. WP click to chat. There it is. I'm gonna go to settings. It could have been it would have came here. Yeah, WhatsApp is here. I am gonna add a new account. I'm gonna add account number or a group chat URL. Cool, the button and all looks fine. I refer to this for detailed explanation. Okay, always available online. Account name Mayank, WhatsApp. Let's try this. Need help? Chat with us. Round, square, whatever. Like select color, button text color. That's fine. Can I preview it? This is the preview, but if I publish it, has it been published? Let's see. I can go for various things. Is it there? Not yet. Control Shift R. Post publish. Okay, this was the post. Floating widget. I guess we need to work on the floating widgets. Yeah, we need to work on the floating widgets. So we have the design, start a conversation. There you go. Display settings, save changes. Is it up now? So yep, as you can see at the bottom, it says need help, chat with me. And if I click on this, Mayank WhatsApp, and you can add multiple WhatsApp, and there you go. In 2 minutes we can set up WhatsApp chat immediately. I just did that for the very first time, honestly. That is why I'm so happy. And this is how you can do it, right? You can add multiple WhatsApp, multiple profiles, and all of them would be available here. You can drag and drop. You can even select the days, which one would be active at what time. And you can even add the WhatsApp URL, web or API, mobile or what. You can choose the analytics to go pro if it allows to, if you want Google Analytics or Facebook to track it, and many more things. Like you can add accounts, you can go pro if you want. That's it.